Hi, I'm Dr. Meier from Third Coast Foot and Ankle, and this is our MLS laser, which is a level 4 laser. And today I'm going to answer a question that I am hearing a lot from my colleagues, and that is laser going to replace cortisone injections, which I think is a great discussion to have because it just may replace cortisone, which is really exciting. So let's back up a little bit and kind of talk a little bit about what the laser is in when we utilize it. So the laser here is a level 4 laser. So there's different levels of lasers. This is level 4, which is actually the highest laser on the market. It is a non-heat producing laser, which means it's not hot and it doesn't hurt when you have laser therapy. What is happening is that these lasers are producing energy that is activating the cells within our bodies to go through very natural processes of just basically doing their jobs better and faster, and then also blocking some pain receptors. So it decreases pain, decreases inflammation or swelling, and then helps that healing process kind of go into a little bit of an overdrive to do a little better and faster job. So how could that replace cortisone injections? Now, today we commonly use cortisone to decrease inflammation and to manage pain, and it's very effective. And so if you have had arthritis or even some tendon injuries, ligament injuries, you may have had cortisone. But unfortunately, cortisone does have side effects, and so we don't always utilize it in every single age group or with every single injury. So there is a time and place for cortisone. And it's also something we don't want to overuse. So we kind of have this rule of threes, and so we never really give repetitive injections of cortisone, especially not more than 3 in a year, because of these potential side effects of the drug. So, for example, something that I treat very commonly in the office, which is plantar fasciitis, we have historically used cortisone in this area and on this injury for many years, and we do get good results with this treatment when combined with other therapies. So cortisone is never a cure-all for anybody. It is always part of a treatment plan. What we're finding more recently, though, after implementing laser therapy into our office, is that we are getting similar and consistent results with laser at decreasing pain and inflammation in the body, but we're getting that added benefit of actually helping the body heal the injury versus, just helping the body mask the pain while we continue to rehab and recover it with other therapies. So we are naturally trending with our patients in a direction of away from cortisone because laser is less painful. There's no needles involved. It's less invasive. We're not putting anything in your body. We're just teaching your body how to work better. And it's a relatively easy procedure to undergo. So obviously it's probably not going to replace cortisone all over the place, but you will notice that your physicians, depending on your injury, may be discussing laser therapy with you more and more and more. And I think it will probably eventually be our standard of care for a lot of different things, and cortisone will be used much less. So don't be surprised if you're hearing more laser in your future. Now, if you have any questions specifically about your conditions and whether or not laser would apply, feel free to give us a call or leave some comments in the video. Here at Third Coast Foot and Ankle, we do use laser therapy every single day on a variety of different pathologies and have been very excited to share the results with our patients.